let's have fun. Let's enjoy this wonderful day. We will all get to Paris. I hope you will be surprised. This is not...
Quite curious how it will be on the road with so many people, but I think it's a super nice day and we will have fun today on the bike.
I'm a little bit afraid about how it is organized, but I'm pretty sure that in 10 years when we meet together, we talk about this day.
We can wait to suffer. Just kidding. To have fun. So thank you. Love CERATIZIT.
Let's ride to Paris!
I know it's not a race, but I'm going to be the first one.
Something happened with my bike. I lost some air. I listened it. I did the workshop with Lisa Brennauer to change it. But I forget everything because I was so nervous of her when she's staying by me. Thank you so much. I changed. Thank you. Thank you. Yay! Thank you so much, guys. Right to Paris. Woohoo!
We already had 6 flat tires until here.
After 13 kilometers. So probably every 2 kilometers there's a break.
So now it's a good possibility to get in the car so you can catch up with the car.
I'm kind of disappointed. I'm not gonna complete the whole thing by myself, right? Easier for the organization is to take the car.
Beautiful country, I love it. Do we know where we're going? Do you know where we're going?
À gauche, à droite. We are lost.
A lot of people are with me and much more coming. Much more coming. I think someone has to come here. Do you have the route? Yeah. Okay, good. We have one this way. Okay.
Bonjour. Hello.
Water? Who wants water?
Get some energy.
Sorry? Okay, just one, just me.
Welcome to Paris, come on, let's get to there for a photo.
Oh, fantastic, fantastic ride. It's really, really amazing. Look at this picture with all the bike riders. Look behind, it's great. It's really great.
We love it. We love Paris.
Bravo, well done, guys. And nothing break.
No,
Perfect.
nothing.
Perfect.
My heart rate went up not because of physical exercise, but because of excitement.
I think I will never forget this day in my life. It was so crazy, so many people with the same jersey. I really had goosebump the whole day. Crazy.
Nobody injured and it was a success. Thanks a lot.